Hey kindergarten, so today we are going to be working on subtraction. So we're going to start with the practice problem at the top right here. Okay, so as you can see, we're starting off with 5 counters: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what we're going to do is take away 2 of those counters. So 1, 2. So we start with 5, we take away 2, and how many do we have left? If you said 3, you're absolutely right. We got 1, 2, 3. So nice job. So now we're just going to move through and do some practice problems. So the first one, I'm starting with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these little men. So start with 6. I know that it is a subtraction equation, so I'm going to put my subtraction sign right there. And I know that I am taking away 1. So 6 minus 1 equals, how many do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6 minus 1 equals 5. Okay, moving over here. So to start with, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of these little dogs. I'm going to go ahead and write my 7 here. I know because we're working on subtraction today, and because they have an X through them, that I'm going to be taking away. I'm going to be subtracting. And I'm going to be subtracting 1, 2, 3, 4, because there's 4 of these little dogs that have the X through them. So I have 7 total. I subtract 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, just to make it more clear. And how many am I left with? If you said 3, you are correct, because 7 minus 4 equals 1, 2, 3. I have 3 left right there. All right, 10 in the page. So up here, I have to start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 tigers. I'm going to write my 8 up here. And I'm going to be subtracting 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. So 8 minus 4 equals, how many have we got left? So we just put a more clear X through these 4 tigers. I now know that 8 minus 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4. Because I have 4 of those tigers left. Nice work. Okay, moving on. We have some kind of little duck over here. And in total, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to start with. I'm going to write my 8. We know that we are subtracting, and we're going to subtract 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of them. So 8 minus 5 equals however many I'm left with, and we can see that we are left with 1, 2, 3. So 8 minus 5 is 3. All right, moving on to number 5. So in total of these dolls, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to write my 7. I know that we're subtracting because I can see the X's through the dolls. To make those a little bit more clear, 1, 2, 3. So I am taking away 3. So 7 minus 3 equals however many we've got left, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 7 minus 3 equals 4. All right, moving on to the tigers over here. So I start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I've got 9 total. Again, I know I'm going to be subtracting, so I need to put my subtraction sign right there. And then I'm going to be subtracting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 9 minus 6 equals, how many have I got left? Well, if you said 3, then you're right, because I have 1, 2, and 3 of these little tigers left. So 9 minus 6 equals 3. Nice job. Okay, turning the page. So over here, I start off with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to write my 6 in here. Again, I know I'm taking away, so I'm going to write my subtraction sign. And this time, we are just subtracting 1. So 6 minus 1 equals however many I have left. And if I count them, I can see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left. So 6 minus 1 is 5. Okay, moving across to here. To start with, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to write my 8 right here. I know that I'm subtracting, so it's 8 minus 1, 2 equals however many I have left. Let's see if you can work that out before me. But if I count them up, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left. So 8 minus 2 equals 6. Okay, and then down to here. Of these little birds, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 total. I'm subtracting 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to write my 4 right here. Equals, how many do I have left? 1, 2, 3. So 7 minus 4 equals 3. Okay, so for this last problem over here, I'm going to tell you a story, and then you have to try and figure out what the answer to the equation is. So Marta has 8 puppets for the puppet show. I'm going to write my 8 in here. She takes away some puppets to be fixed. Okay, so we know she's going to be taking away some of the puppets and only has 5 left for the show. So 8 minus however many.
They're down in the front desk.
I'm going to start that again. So 8 minus however many puppets got taken away equals the puppet she has left. So 8 minus blank equals 5. So if we draw 8 dots down here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I draw puppets, but my drawing skills aren't quite up to standard, so we'll have to make do with the dots. So I got 8 total. How many do I need to take away to make 5? So counting backwards, if I take 1 away, I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So no, that's not the right answer. I'm going to take another one away. Now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left. No, that isn't the right answer. If I take one more away, I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And that's exactly how many puppets Marta had left for the show. So I know that if I start with 8 and take away 1, 2, 3, I get my answer of 5. So 8 minus 3 equals 5. Okay, kindergarten, great job today, and I'll see you next time.